Very, very near there.
Protraction. Oh, we haven't got yeah, that's what we're doing.
The right
this one, yeah.
The rotational. You ask him to drop his elbow down, and you also ask him to take his arm. It's not you doing it, it's him doing it, then you follow him. Just try it.
To watch is anything you
It's him doing the work. So, in case it's injured, just looking and then say, so you ask him, and then he will just, yes, alright.
Yes.
With the neck, the shoulder is fine. Yeah, well, the whole thing.
you only do it
We was wrapping up for that one.
Well, no, because the muscle is inside.
Yeah.
Let me do. That's different, isn't it? Yeah. Okay. So you weren't bringing. You need to be pressing that way. You need to be pushing down. Ah, yeah. Okay. Yeah, you've got pushing down. Yeah. And now you feel when you get to 10, you feel the difference. Now you feel the difference.
Chilling.
My leg's famous.
Yes. QL, yes. Yeah. STR? Okay, I'll show you.
you not pushing both
The technique you want to do, when asked, I want you to extend your arm and your leg. So I'm going to press down into the quadratus lumborum.
That's good.
And then
How's it for now? Try it.
arm and leg. And that opens up the QL. Can you feel that?
I mean, they
Pressing
both
into the
better.
quadratus lumborum, and you're opening both ends.
But I'm not getting
When
the
we
pumps.
started, it was really tight.
Let me show you
I mean,
the
I'm not
other
fussed about the
one.
fixed
What's the thing? Yeah. And the way of working the piriformis this way, if you bring this knee up, if I look down on the piriformis, lower your knee, and then raise your arm.
Face up.
The one I just demonstrated there. No, there are other ways. The other way is the seated one. If you're working sideline, the other way down is you look there, you bend that way.
Do it standing, that's for standing, rotation, huh?
And when I ask you, extend your arm and your leg straight turn, and I just push down and extend out. Straight turn. Where do you do that and do that? On one side.
Into the chest, bring it into the chest, hip flexion. You need to bring extension. Huh? So the hip, this is the hip.
So it has to be, the movement has to be there.
And then all the way down.
And then extension needs to be on the front. If you can work on here to be on my front.
We're doing
They're doing this.
and then yourself, and then we drop it down.
And then if you really want to test extension of the
On the front. Yeah. Okay, that's fine. So we done the
adduction.
abduction. So lift it up and take the legs. Now 1 second.
No, you want to do the alright. Really easy for the shoulders. Back of your head. So it's
That's still active. Yeah, that's still active. Yeah, that's still active.
so when you stretch them out.
Now we have to do we did up and down.
Time at this time of day.
Which he said, do you remember he said to us, it's only when you move the foot, only when you move at the ankle, if the knee's bent and you just move at the ankle, then that's it.
If you're doing passively, what I need to do right now, sorry, not
Yeah.
passively, actively, I don't know.
And you're going that way. And then you're going to move your legs into a straight position. But this is going to be the leg that's moving, and this is going along for the ride.
Mine's big because it's 10, so if you look at mine, feel.
Oh my God.
And that.
Do one more time.
Gentle jab. Funny how you can your legs one to move and not the other. Amazing. That was TFL, yeah?
And anterior please.
Oh wow. Pencils, please.
It's good I can tell you because you can write down. Good.
And do it again.
Yeah. Little bit stiff on this side. Yeah, whereas on the right, you can't come in more because of the tightness.
So more movement.
That's it. A bit tight on this side. And then rotate. It goes up. Yeah. So they rotate. This is all of them. Yeah, I've noticed that anyway. And now doing this, is giving me more indication.
Not pain, but just a little bit, like a little bit discomfort, like coming here. So again, the same basis as
My left side, I've done it a few years.
a little bit.
I know it's a bit weak, you just explain.